I found out by Ideal through a summer program where it matches jobs and internships based on your interests. So I got matched with Ideal because of my interest for technology, and I didn't know much about the company, so I had to do some research on my own, and eventually that's kind of how I learned about Ideal and found out through myself. When I first came in here, my initial thoughts was it was a school, but I realized that when I would be working over the summer, school wasn't in session, so it was kind of just me working in the lab independently. But so far, my journey has been really good. I definitely gained a lot of knowledge that I didn't know when I came in here. So I would say it's been really good. I learned a lot about engineering, 3D printing, and it's just been a really good experience overall. So I made a fully 3D printed jet engine. These are all fully 3D printed parts. So this is the front of the engine, which is the fan, and then this is the back. And these are all from 3D printed parts. This is probably one of the coolest things I've ever made. I think the most challenging part when building it was definitely figuring out the different orientations for everything, because the videos that I used were not really helpful, and I had to figure out on my own which side the screws have to go in, which side each part had to go in. The orientation was kind of the hard part, but eventually I got it and it all kind of clicked together, especially towards the end. I would just say Ideal, there's so many different categories and opportunities that you can find in. So if you have a specific interest in technology, Ideal has everything for that. Obviously I did 3D printing / engineering, but there's other interns that are doing different projects or with different technology. So whatever your interests are, Ideal will definitely have that in the realm of technology. And that goes for students too. Whatever you're interested in specifically in technology, that's Ideal will definitely have that, and it's so broad. I would say the technology is generally a broad subject, and it's so fun to learn anything that you're interested in. I would say thank you, because they've been a really big help. I loved meeting new people, and just thank you. It's been a really good summer program and I'm glad I did this. My teammates, they literally made my shifts go by so fast. I got help from them, I helped them, and it was just overall it just without them my shifts they just made it really fun. I would just say as corny as it is, don't give up. Obviously it can be frustrating in the beginning, because obviously this jet engine, for example, it was very frustrating in the beginning to kind of figure out the orientations and where each part goes. But definitely just take your time, be patient, and obviously it can come together at the end.